Deejay Laden has pleaded guilty to gun charges.
Teach them! Always make sure the message reach them!
Viewers, dancehall artist Laden, whose given name is O'Keefe Aarons, pleaded guilty to charges of illegal possession of firearm and illegal possession of ammunition in the St. Elizabeth Circuit Court this afternoon, Monday, the 30th of November. The 33-year-old entertainer has been in police custody since the 28th of October, when he and two other people were arrested in Cheapside, St. Elizabeth. The other two accused, 21-year-old Sayani Banks and his younger brother, were acquitted of gun charges today. Laden is said to be sentenced on the 15th of December. According to police reports, about 10:40 p.m. on the 28th of October, lawmen were in Cheapside, St. Elizabeth, when they signaled the driver of a black Mercedes-Benz motorcar to stop. The driver initially complied, but sped off when the police approached. The police said a chase ensued, and during the chase, an object was seen being thrown from the sunroof of the car. When the police caught up with the vehicle, the occupants were arrested and taken back to the site, where the object was witnessed being thrown from the car. The object thrown from the vehicle was later discovered to be a high-point pistol with a magazine containing a single round of ammunition.
Teach them! Hey, yo, hello! Send the message and make it reach them. It's teach them. Right here, Warlord representing.
Thank you for watching. Like the video before you go. Please subscribe if you haven't done so. And remember to share the video with your friends and family. And browse the channel for more quality content. Until next time, walk good, my friends.
Teach them!